Welcome to our class, Amma. Now activity 2 in third bit. Write the numerals, write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following. Now here getting Roman numerals, Amma. This Roman numerals we are converting into Arabic numerals. Okay. Now x, I. Now this is the solution, Amma. X plus again x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 I plus I. Now this is I will write in individual x plus again x plus again x plus I plus I plus 1. Okay, Amma. Now tell me x for what? 1x for 10 plus again 1x for 10. So 10 plus this x for 10. Now I for 1 plus I for 1 again I for 1. You get which number? 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 1 31, 31 plus 1 32, 32 plus 1 33. You get which number? 33. Okay. Now next one, Amma. Now here beta. 33. Okay. V plus I. V for what, Amma? V for 5. Again I for 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. You get 6. Now next here x plus V plus I. Now x for 10. Again x for 10. X for 10. V for 5. And I for 1. So 20, 30, 35, 36. You get 36. Now next one, Amma. Xi. So x plus I. X for 10 and y for I for 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Now next one, 10x plus I. X for 10. Again x for 10 plus I for 1. So tell me, children, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. You get 21. Now here one more is there. X, I, x. So x plus we don't write I plus x because here x is the big number. Big before small is coming. So we don't write I plus x. So this is the ix is the total complete 1. Only 1 ix. Okay. Now tell me. Write like this, Amma. So x is the big kada, I is the small kada. So big before small is the what you doing? Subtraction. So what are you doing? X minus I. You can understand, I think. X minus I. Got it? Now x for 10 plus again x for 10. Now plus, Amma. Now x for 10. 10 minus 1. I for 1. Now 10 plus 10, 20 plus. Now 10 minus 1, 9. You get 9. So 20 plus 9, 29. You can understand, children? Big number before small number say we don't write individual. We are doing subtraction. Okay? ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, అన్ని ఇండివిజువల్ రాసేస్తున్నాం కదా. సో మీరు అలానే అనుకొని ఇది కూడా ఇండివిజువల్ రాసేస్తారు. సో డోంట్ రైట్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? బికాస్ దిస్ ఇస్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. x minus 10. బిగ్ నెంబర్ ముందు స్మాల్ నెంబర్ వస్తే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. అదే స్మాల్ తర్వాత బిగ్ వస్తే లైక్ దిస్ హియర్. సారీ, బిగ్ బిఫోర్ అంటే బిగ్ నెంబర్ ముందు స్మాల్ నెంబర్ వస్తే వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, అమ్మా. బట్ బిగ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్టర్ స్మాల్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ అడిషన్. Here like this, big after always coming small, big after small, big after small. So we are doing addition. Okay. Now here big after big before coming small. So we are doing subtraction. Okay, now you can understand. Please copy your classwork, Amma. One more problem I will explain, Amma. Okay. Listen. XL, L for 50, X for 10 means big number before small is coming. Again here X for 10, I for 1. Again here coming big number before small number coming. So here doing subtraction. Now L minus X plus again X minus I. Okay, Amma? Now L for 50 minus X for 10 plus X for 10 minus 1. So tell me children, 50 minus 10 you get 40 plus 10 minus 1 you get 9. So 40 plus 9, 49. Okay. 40 plus 9 is the 49. Please copy it, Amma. Now do homework, today homework. Homework XLI. Here X L for 50, X for 10. Big number mundu small వచ్చింది. So we are doing subtraction. Means L minus X plus 1. Here X plus 4. X plus 4 is the 14. Do these 3 problems, Amma. This is your homework. Remaining bits I will explain in next class, Amma. Okay, children, thank you. Happy Diwali, Amma. Take care. Bye. Take care of lights, Amma.